What do you want? What do you want?
I want a pancake.
You want one of Jezebel's cupcakes? But Mommy said no, you already had one and it's time for bed.
I need a pancake.
No pancake.
Yeah, I need a pancake.
You already had a cupcake.
No, I need a lollipop. A peacock.
No more junk before bed. You can have
A diamond.
You can have a cupcake tomorrow.
I need diamond. I need diamond.
No.
This one. That's a little diamond. I need have candy. I need candy. I need candy.
Not at bedtime.
I don't want to go to bed.
But you're acting tired.
No, I'm not tired.
No?
Sorry.
Why'd you throw a fit? 'Cause you can't have a cupcake.
I'm not kind. No, I'm not kind.
Not anymore?
I need pancake.
Okay, you can have one of Jezebel's cupcakes again tomorrow, okay? Okay?
Not big cake.
Huh?
I don't want a big one.
I know, but you can't even have a little one right now, okay?
I know I need a big. Like this one. That big one.
Okay, tomorrow, okay?
This tiny pancake.
Not right now, not tiny pancake.
This pancake.
Tomorrow.
The big pancake.
Tomorrow.
This pancake.
Tomorrow.
This big this.
Okay, tomorrow you have one of Jezebel's cupcakes, okay? Okay? I know.
Whoa.
It's terrible.